Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the monthly IV sheet generation. So by using a tool which you have created recently, so based on this, we are going to create the monthly IV sheet, which is helpful for our positional options strategy concept. So previously we are updating this from on our Google Sheet, which you given you the access. But last February we stopped the Google Sheet scanner, as well as this monthly sheet also we are stopping it. And from last November, so now how to generate by using our tool. So that will be helping you to find this particular Google Sheet, that is monthly IV sheet generated. So before going to that, so if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. And if you want to know more about our positional strategy, you can just ping me on my WhatsApp number. You can also learn the strategy. So here this eye chart and option Opstra also be there, but eye chart is the paid version, Opstra is the free. Here in the eye chart we are opening this one, and after login, so you may be seeing the future tab, day and price wise OS summary. So this will help you. The file will be downloaded with IV changes, other important details. But this Excel sheet we need to download it, and then we can use our tool to generate that particular monthly IV sheet. So monthly IV sheet consists of IV, IVP, IVR, and higher level, lower level, and the what should be the positional strike price for the month based on the logic. So the option strategy, the positional concept, and what should be the C, and what should be the P closing price on the last trading, and how much profit potential. So these are all the calculations. So based on some formula, so we are calculating this thing, and this sheet how we can generate with that our tool. So already I have downloaded that monthly IV, and also the current date file is required. So once you have that file, so you can also easily generate that, and I'm just guiding you how to generate. And this is the web app, so we are developed, and we given you only few, those who are my student, they can access it. Okay, so while it's loading, so once it is completed, and we have to upload that file which you are downloaded. So the two files which you have to upload it, the one is the bow copy and the last trading day of that particular month. So because we are going to develop for this tool, this one for a monthly basis, so last month, last trading day of the month which you are taken. For an example, I am just going to follow April. So last trading on March is 30th. So 30th bow copy, also the same days 30th the IVP report from the option eye chart. There is an option you can download old data also. So after downloading it, so you may be able to generate the sheet. I'm just uploading. This is what a bow copy which I downloaded already from 30th 33 2026. I have uploaded it right now, and the day wise price OI summary on the same date 33 2026. I'm just uploading both the files, and it is now showing you the how we can which format you require. So either Excel or CSV. I need an Excel file, and here you need to select which expiry you want. So 28/4 is the expiry, that is April expiry. I need a April expiry. Stock future, but index may be coming soon. So but currently we are doing with the stock, and here start process. So once you've done, this will be done, and it will be completing the files. You will be see there is a downloaded monthly IV April 2026. I'm just opening this file. What are the columns and what are the data which available in this particular Excel? So what we find it exactly IV, IVP, IVR, higher, lower level, upper level, strike, CEP, same as the monthly IV chart, monthly of the Google Sheet scanner. So now we generated, and you can now sort it. So here this is an Excel based, you can I can filter out first everything which is happening. So take enter center and do it. Just this for I am just going to find it, and now I'm going to add a filters. So already we have a filters. So here what are the IV based on the highest IV, so you can select a largest thing. So as of now, so we didn't see anyone which is more than 80, so as per IV. And in case of IVR, it's based on the rank. So IVR, so we want to largest to smallest. So a lot of stocks having IV, IVP, IVR, and here largest to smallest. So 67 is the max. But as per the concept of IVR, so this current IV is quite high for those stocks like BDL, LTF, so Petronet. This may be a stock which we can look for the high volatile. So you know what should be the strategy which you are able to do on highly volatile stocks, and that was a logic which we are discussing on our course. And what should be the strike price, and what should be the current call and put prices, and what should be the percentage of based on the calculation. So most of them are negative. So because of huge volatile scene, when the IV is increased, there is a huge premium already. So maybe a lot of options may go down, and some of the options is quite strike different. Okay. Huge price difference, that may be a cause of this thing. So in HDFC AMC, let me check whether it is right or wrong. So why HDFC AMC, what should be the 8,800? And let me check HDFC AMC 8,800. Yeah, sorry, 2,200. One premium is 500, another premium is 85. So this is a huge difference that could not be possible. 12220. So maybe liquidity issue. So let me check whether it is right. We will directly check with the premium. It should be that HDFC AMC. So 2220, maybe liquidity issue. HDFC AMC 2220 put option. And yeah, you can look at this. There is a huge liquidity issue. Previous close it mentioned 26, but this is what a 1st April. Previously it was around 26. And HDFC AMC 2220 call option April. Yeah, you can see that was traded previously for 99 and it is gap down, but that option is not traded. Maybe round number it will be good. So if you find any issues like that, you can manually verify, but that tool is working fine and good. HDFC AMC 2200 put option, that would be actively trading. And HDFC AMC 2200 call option, that is also some active liquidity. So that issue is happened based on the liquidity issue. So maybe for any strike which is nearing to that much difference, you can cross verify with the round number. That would be better. Some of them are here ICICI Prudential. It's a huge difference, and this both normally it is not a liquid one, but if you are seen any huge difference here, so you can cross verify it, that would be very fine. Okay, so round number always really a good volume in options instead of middle numbers like 110 and 115 maybe around, but 112.5, so that may not be working very good and well. So that you do check with. Okay, so that is what the logic. So we find it now. So IVR, IVP, upper lower level, and C strike price, P strike price, which we can easily filter out with this particular tool. And Tata Tech also may be a difference. So you can see 510. So because huge volatile which is seen in the market, that can be possible. So better you can find it with the round numbers, that always be helping you to do. So thank you so much, and this way we can create our monthly IV sheet for the month of April. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update. Thank you.